one Noni Edlin Motamai. If I had to tell you as to why I've been acting strange in the previous video, you will laugh. Okay, make sure you do subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'll highly appreciate it. Also tell your friends about it. Also comment down below what you would like me to talk about regarding to money or any finance or any business information you need from me. Okay, now guys, this year is for those who are going the extra mile of being very desperate to go into the adult entertainment industry, which I don't want you to do it this way, because you know the reason why, guys. I personally, you know, when you've been through a situation whereby you have nobody to assist you or help you, I don't want you to be in that situation, okay, whereby you have to go to the lengths of going outside and selling yourself and all that nonsense. So I've got easier ways in order for you to actually make money non-sexual, okay? Make sure you're subscribed. This is going to be a very interesting topic today. Also, go and listen to my podcast, guys. I'm going to put the link on my community, which is my post. Go listen to my podcast because I speak about relationship and intimacy issues, whereby at the end of the day you can learn. Okay, now guys, the reason why I was acting strange in the video and just being all over the place, I have been gymming, guys. As you can see, this is my old gymming stuff. It's my gymming stuff underneath, so I'm actually prepared to gym after this. Okay, so yeah, anyways, guys, the first one that I would like to speak to you about is feet. Okay, you can actually sell your feet on FeetFix. Okay, it's FeetFix. Okay, it's free of charge. You must be 18 plus and above in order for you to do that, so that you can earn some coins. But guys, I won't lie to you, I tried it out with FeetFix. It's not easy, but trust me, at the end of the day, it's way more simpler. If you have a big following and you don't want to go into the desperation move of going sexual, you can actually try that, because there are people that need your feet pics. If you like pampering your feet and, you know, looking after your feet, you can do feet. Okay, another method that you can do for desperation of money is weirdwealth.co, okay, whereby you can actually sell your videos of you eating, because there are some people, okay guys, don't judge people outside and their niches or their fetishes and stuff. Some people have fetishes on that website, whereby you can even sell them socks. They want your socks. If you want to sell like eating videos, they will actually buy your eating videos. They, even if you are blowing your nose, they will buy you blowing your nose. That's how it is on weirdwealth.co. You can go check it out, guys. It's weirdwealth.co, okay? And then therefore you can register and then sell whatever niche that they, or fetish, where they need you, okay? Another way you can do things is more fans, guys. I have tried it out. I've already got a big following, whereby it's non-nude, it's non-sexual, it's non-anything. You just take your pictures, even if you're a photographer or what, and you can paste it on more fans, and then therefore you can get some funds from that. Okay, and therefore you can take the same link and paste it around saying that these are your work. Okay, and the last but not least is opening your own website. Okay, opening your own website, creating a digital product, which is a poster or a planner or stuff, and then selling it as regarding to the website. You get paid from the website for the clicks, as well as you are going to be getting paid from your digital product. So that are the 4 ways, guys. Don't do anything sexual if you are not feeling comfortable about it. Why am I encouraging this? Is because the youth thinks that is the last way to go. No, you cannot go that way. At least you can try this and see if it works out for you. As I said, it's feed pics. You can sell feed pics. You can sell your items regarding to weirdwealth.co, or you eating, mukbang, whatever you want to do on weirdwealth.co. As well as number 3 is more fans. Number 4 is opening your own website and selling digital products. Okay, I hope that assisted you guys. But also another thing is that, guys, this is what I want to motivate you. If you are peer pressured for the fact that you need to make money for something like a certain phone or a certain thing, and I'm speaking to the youth here, don't do it. Go for your own goals and your own visions and your own plans, okay? Don't just do things whereby it might destroy your life and your reputation, okay? Especially when it comes to your parents. Make sure that your parents are always happy. If your parents you have some issue with your parents, don't ever feel bad and say, you know what, I'm gonna do this to spite them. No, what about yourself? Okay, so please guys, try those 4 methods, and therefore you can see where you can go from there. Bye guys, I really appreciate it, and I'm so sorry about the last video. The reason why I was all over the place is because really I'm tired, guys. I'm going to be very, very honest, but I said no, the show must go on. It's not fair for those who have subscribed to me. It's not fair for the fact that people actually believe in me, that they waited on a Saturday or they waited on a Friday for me to post, okay? I love you guys, and goodbye.